So we're gonna fasten up the bike here, and we're gonna have to walk across, I'm afraid. So but yeah, though, a castle on here then got knocked down, then the castle got rebuilt, and something to do with monks and so we've just arrived at Walney Nature Reserve. This is the visitor centre. So we're just going to go in here. I think it's £3 entry admission, and then we're going to go and walk down and see the nature reserve. So you can see we're actually the other side of the estuary now, so we've got Bowing Furnace north of us. You can see the mountains as well for the lakes and Cumbria. Let's have a look then. You can just about make out the lifeboat station and Rower Island where we camped, and then you can see Piel Island with the castle on just there. So we're completely the other side. We spent the last week over there looking this way, and now we're finally looking back over that way. So we're on the nature reserve now, and we're doing some more walking. We're heading down towards where hopefully where the seals are, and down towards the lighthouse. This is the oyster farm. We're hoping to get down to the lighthouse, but that's closed off. I think it's actually private property, someone lives there. A little bit disappointed in that. We've also seen merlins as well on the island, so a small bird of prey, a little bit like a kestrel, but what I'll have to do is Google a picture and stick a picture on now, because we've seen the merlin come past, but it's been that quick and that low to the ground. I haven't been able to get the camera on it just yet, so who knows, on the way back we may come across that. So if I do, I will try to capture it. But yeah, you can see this is just one of the hides what we've got. And you can see we've got geese down there. Yeah, it's a nice area. So yeah, this island, or this strip of land, were actually used during the World War II for sea defences, and we have seen quite a few concrete areas what look like they would have, you know, anti-aircraft guns bolted down, and you know, machine gun turrets or whatever they have. So so yeah, we're just coming up on the seals now. So Helen's just pointing at me. So we're coming to the hide there, and I think think she's trying to tell me about some seals just on this little part just here. We'll get the camera out, and I think I was going to take a few still pictures so we can probably see them. They're probably about I know 250 meters out. So while Helen is taking a few pictures, yeah, Walney Island has been used for sea defences in World War II, so there are 1 or 2 concrete bunkers which I'm hopefully going to see or take you around on the way back. It's late afternoon now. I think we didn't bring any lunch. I think both myself and Helen are feeling a little bit peckish now, so I think we're going to head on back now. Look at some of these bunkers, and then probably go for McDonald's or something going through Barrow in Furness. So yeah, you got a great viewing point just here. You can look out, you can look south, and in the distance there you can see Blackpool Tower. What a great area, and what great views as well. So I just come up on one of those bunkers. Nice bit of artwork. And a great view out. I've seen some of the German defences in Normandy and around that area, and I must say, if I were being shot at, I'd rather be in the German defences, because looking at this, it's a little bit feeble. Yeah, I reckon this must have had in this semicircular area, maybe a gun pointing out towards sea. But I think if I was stood here and I saw a German boat out there, I think I'd have to leave my post and go and hide behind this mound just here, I think. Ooh. Well, we're talking about gun emplacements and remembering the guys and girls of World War II, World War One. Helen's picked up on a story where I don't know whether they're going to be selling the poppies this year by the veterans and by the people that stand out on the street, but apparently now you can apply for your poppies online. So if you go online, I'll put a link down below where you can actually send off and pay over the internet and get your poppy sent through through your door, basically. So that just about sums up Walney Island. I hope you've enjoyed this trip today with us. We've walked miles and miles, so I'm ready now to get back, get some food and have a beer. So thanks again for joining us. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell, and we'll see you again soon. So thanks again. See you soon.